everyone, welcome to my class. This is still Master Victor. So we have this jump question. If this plus this is this, find the respective values of x and y. This is a question from matrix. So we are adding this matrix to this matrix, and the result is this matrix. So how do you add a matrix? That's the biggest question that will come to your mind. There are two things you must know when it comes to addition of matrix. Number one, before two matrices can be added together, they must be of the same order. They must have equal number, they must have the same number of rows and the same number of columns. So this is a 3 by 2 matrix, and this is also a 3 by 2 matrix, so they can be added together. That's number one. Number two, when you are adding two matrices together, you add corresponding elements. These numbers are called the elements of the matrix. Which ones are corresponding? The ones that appear at the same position. So if I'm adding this and this, it means I will add 1 and x, I will add -1 and -1, I will add 2 and y, I will add 0 and 1, I will add -1 and 0, I will add 2 and -2, and they will give me this result. So if that is true, how do we find the value of x and y? Let's start with x. Of course, if I'm adding them, it means I'm adding 1 and x, so 1 plus x. These are the corresponding elements. And the result must be the corresponding elements here, and the result must be a -2. So how do I get x here? Of course, x will be equal to -2, plus 1 will cross over, it will change to -1, so x is equal to -3. This is x. So how do I get the value of y? This is where y is. So the corresponding element to y is this. So it must be 2 plus y, and the result must be the corresponding element here, which is -3. So to solve for y will become -3, 2 will go over there, we change to -2. So y is equal to -3 -2 -5. So the respective value of x and y is -3 and -5. -3 and -5. This is my result. As easy as that. Hold on. Follow my page, subscribe to my channel, invite your friends.